Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I've got a brand new pair of super affordable wireless earphones to show you all. They're made by Noise and are very budget friendly. So Noise has launched these two brand new Bluetooth earphones today. One is called the Tune Sport. It's a Bluetooth V4.2 magnetic sports earphones that cost less than 1000 rupees. And the other one is called the Tune Duo, which is a dual driver Bluetooth earphones and only cost 299 more than the Tune Sport. So in this video we're gonna unbox both of them and see what they have to offer for that price point. Alright, so which one should we start with? Let's go with the budget one, the Noise Tune Sport. So the brand new earphones come in this sort of box packing. You've got the Noise branding here, a picture of the product on the front and says Tune Sport over here. So these Bluetooth in-ear headphones are made for everyday use. The Bluetooth version is 4.2, they're magnetic earphones and also have a microphone so you can even use them to answer calls. Those were some of its highlights. Now let's see what else is written on the box packing. Going to the back, we've got the specs of this product. As I've told you earlier, the Bluetooth V4.2 have a wireless range of 10 meters, offer a music playtime of around 4.5 hours, come with a single 10mm driver and 80 mAh battery. Talking about the price on the box says $14.99, but they cost only around $9.99 rupees. That is like quite affordable guys, and I'm pretty excited to unbox and check it out. So let's get started. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packaging. I wanna thank Noise for sending me this product for review. There we go. Also guys, this box packing has a book-like design. It opens up like this, you can even check out the earphones through this window. Now the Tune Sport come in 3 different stylish colors. We've got the grey color variant. Okay, let's cut the seal on the box and take them out. So the earphones come nicely packed like this on a tray. And along with that you also get some accessories. Let me show you. You get a warranty card, a user manual in this mini box. Just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. A packet of extra ear tips in different sizes and a micro USB cable for charging the earphones. So these are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. So this is how the new Noise Tune Sport look like. They've got a nice sporty design with soft silicone wingtips and have the Noise branding on both of them. The build quality looks pretty good. The body is entirely made of metal and have a high quality silicone ear hooks and ear tips. They feel soft and durable. The Noise Tune Sport have a magnetic design, so in case if you're not using them, you can simply attach them together and leave them hanging around your neck. Talking about the cable quality is good. You've got the Noise branding here followed by the model of the product. And on the other side you've got the inline remote control. It's got a volume up, a multifunction button, volume down and a dedicated voice assistant button which activates either Google Assistant or Siri. And on the other side you've got a microphone. Going to the left there's a rubber flap under which there's a micro USB port for charging the earphones. So that was about the inline remote. The quality of the buttons is also nice, they feel tactile and clicky. And going down there's even a length adjustment button on the cable, so you can adjust the length as per your requirement. Well, that was our quick look at the design and the build quality of these earphones. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the audio. The Noise Tune Sport are quite lightweight and fit perfectly in my ears. The noise isolation is great and feel pretty comfortable for long time usage. Coming to the audio quality was actually really good for the price. I totally didn't expect that quality sound for 999 rupees. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, and you could hear all the dialogues clearly. Talking about the bass was very good on them. On my usage, what I felt was, these are more bass-centric earphones. That means the bass is very punchy on them. If you're a bass lover, you're definitely going to love them. And the treble quality was also decent. Overall, for the price point of 999 rupees, they were offering very clean and great quality sound. The TRHD was less up to 80% volume level, and beyond that you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also very loud. I couldn't go beyond 75% volume level. So that was about the Tune Sport. Now let me just keep that aside and show you its big brother, the Noise Tune Duo. The special thing about them is their dual driver wireless earphones priced at only 1299 rupees. Like seriously guys, I've never seen wireless earphones with dual drivers for such a low price. And that's why I'm pretty curious to see how they sound like. So the Tune Duo from Noise come in this sort of box packing. You've got a picture of the product on the front and has the specs at the back side. Even these are Bluetooth V4.2 and offer a music playtime of around 4.5 hours. They've got dual 9mm drivers and come with an 80 mAh battery. So those were all of its features. Now let's unbox it and check out the product. Let me grab my knife and tear this out of packaging. There we go. Let me just take them out of the box and show you. So here they are, the Noise Tune Duo. Come nicely packed on this tray. The packaging as well as the accessories look similar to the previous model. You get a warranty card and user manual, a packet of extra ear tips in different sizes, and a micro USB cable for charging the earphones. So that's it, these were all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. Let me take them out. So here they are, the Noise Tune Duo. These earphones come in two different colors. We've got this beautiful twilight blue variant, and this is how they look like. Let me give you a closer look. The Tune Duo come with dual 9mm drivers. That means you get two drivers on the left as well as two drivers on the right, and have a nice translucent design so you can actually see the drivers through the body. That is so cool, right? The build quality is good, they're made of plastic and have good quality silicone ear tips. Talking about the cable looks strong and durable. On the left side, you've got the Noise branding and the model of the product. And on the right side, you've got an inline remote control, which is exactly the same found on the Tunes port. There's a volume up, multifunction button, volume down, and a dedicated voice assistant button. And on the other side, you've got a microphone and a rubber flap under which there's a micro USB port for charging the earphones. Going down the cable, there's a length adjustment button so you can adjust the length of the cable as per your requirement. So that was a complete look at the design and the build quality of this product. Now let me just put them on and tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The Noise Tune Duo are lightweight and feel quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation is also decent. Talking about the sound, the audio quality was very good. The clarity was really nice with great amount of detail, all thanks to those dual 9mm drivers. The mids were crisp and clear, and I could clearly hear all the dialogues. The high frequency response was also nice. It was producing smooth treble without any harshness. Talking about the bass was decent, but it was not as punchy as heard on the Tunes port. The overall audio quality was pretty good for the price, with great amount of detail in music and also offered wide soundstage. The TRHD was very less, even up to 90% volume level, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. I've told you both the earphones come with a built-in mic, right? The mic quality was pretty good during call conversations. Alright, so that was about the audio. Now coming to the battery life, both of these earphones come with an 80 mAh battery. First, let me tell you about the Tunes port. The battery life on Tunes port was great. On an average, when listening to music at 70% volume level, I was getting around 4.5 to 5 hours of music playtime, and charging it fully took around 3 hours. Whereas on the Tune Duo, while listening to music at 70% volume level, I was only getting around 3.5 to 4 hours of battery life, and charging it from 0 to 100 took around 2 hours. So that was my video on these brand new budget wireless earphones from Noise. Both of them are pretty good at their respective price points. The build quality is nice, have dedicated voice assistant button, and are also very affordable. The Noise Tunes port are for the people who are looking for wireless sports earphones with great bass and battery life, while the Tune Duo are for people who prefer better audio clarity and a wider soundstage. The only thing is the bass is a bit less on them and also offers slightly lower battery life. Now which one to go for? The choice is all up to you. For people who are looking to upgrade from wired to wireless earphones at a budget price tag, these two Noise earphones are their best bet. I'll leave links to both of them in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.